Okay, crew, today's video will be a blueberry muffin. And here are the ingredients we'll be using. We have vanilla extract, baking powder, baker's soda spray, blueberries, a stick of salted butter, eggs, milk, flour, and sugar. Please don't forget to like and comment your thoughts on this video. Let's get into this blueberry muffin video. Okay, crew, so we have our all-purpose flour here. We're gonna measure out 2 cups. We're gonna go in with 2 teaspoons of baking powder, half a teaspoon of salt, and we're gonna give it a whisk. Then we have our dry ingredient mix. We're gonna work on the wet ingredients. 1 stick of salted cream butter, 1 cup of sugar, and we're just gonna cream this together for 2 to 3 minutes. We have 2 large eggs. We're going to add 1 egg in at a time. Egg number 2. Right side down. I'm sorry, y'all. 1.5 teaspoons of vanilla extract. Now we're gonna give it a mix. Okay, crew, so we have our flour mixture and a 1/2 cup of milk. What we're gonna do is we're gonna start with the flour and we're gonna end with the flour. Alright, so we scrape down the sides of the bowl, and we're just gonna give it a quick mix. And crew, your batter will be thick, so don't freak out if you make this and your batter is super thick. And also in the comment section, y'all let us know how y'all been doing. I know it's been a time away from YouTube for me. really dropping like long form content. So I'm back. Got a lot of exciting new things as far as recipes coming to the channel. So I hope y'all excited about that. And I ain't go nowhere. I'm still here, you know. Okay, so I'm gonna show y'all a quick trick. We have our blueberries here. We're gonna pour our blueberries into this bowl. It's 2 cups of blueberries. And what a lot of people don't tell you, if you just put your blueberries in your mixture like this, they'll all sink to the bottom. So to prevent this, we're gonna take a little flour, put it in our blueberries, and give it a mix. So this is a teaspoon right here. So we're gonna go in with a teaspoon and a half of flour, and we're just gonna coat our blueberries. And this will help your blueberries keep from sinking to the bottom of your batter. So we're gonna take our batter. Voila. We're gonna add our blueberries to the party. On all that extra flour, so bam. We're gonna fold in our blueberries.
Fit in all of my fitness. I've been all in my bag. You been all in my business. You be all in your feelings. I've been all in them trenches. I've been all in my bag. You be all in my business.
Should look a little something like that.
Fit in all of my fitness. Ocean under this dad hat. It ain't me that you mad at. I ain't tripping, bruh, had that. Cause he don't know I done had that. My bucket list got checked.
Okay, crew, so I got our blueberry muffins into our liners. And this recipe will make 12, but you know, me being me, I used a big scooper, so it only made 11. So if you go down a smaller size, it'll make 12. Okay, crew, so our blueberry muffins are out the oven. I baked them for 30 minutes at 375 degrees. Let me give y'all that famous close-up. Alright, crew, so we're gonna make a lemon glaze. I use 1 cup of powdered sugar, and I use a little bit of zest from the lemon and the juice of a half a lemon, and I mix it up until the consistency that I wanted. And y'all will see that coming up shortly. Right there. There you go. Then I drizzle our lemon glaze over our blueberry muffin.
All in my business. You be all in your feelings. I've been all in them trenches. I've been all in my bag. You be all in my business. No, they notice me flexing. Fit in all of my fitness. I've been all in my bag. You been all in my business. You be all in your feelings. I've been all in them trenches. I've been all in my bag. You be all in my business. No, they notice me flexing. Fit in all of my fitness.
Alright, y'all, so I'm gonna cut it. Show y'all the inside of this baby. Look at that. I'm gonna give it a taste with that lemon glaze. That's fire right there. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. And if you don't mind, and if you want to, please give the recipe a try. And y'all already know the same. I'm gonna catch y'all in the next video. Pops out. Cool it is.